guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can copy Crosshair in Valorant. So I'm just going to wait for this game to start, to be honest, because you actually have to die for you to be able to copy the Crosshair. And I have my overall volume set to 0, that's why nobody can talk. Well, I can hear anything, but yeah, we are going to be playing Valorant today. So okay, hopefully the timer will go faster. And I'm just going to zoom and pretty much just die first. I'm just going to steal this classic as well. And let's go A, because that's where most people are. You do have to die first, so I'm just going to act like I'm a noob. I'm actually a noob. So, oh gosh, it's just going to take forever to do. I killed somebody. Why? I meant to die. Okay, here we go. There we go. And you're just going to spectate somebody. So like this Crosshair, for instance, and then press enter, right click, and then select CC. And then it's going to be imported in your Crosshair. So if you go to Crosshair, they will get the Crosshair of this player. And you're just going to rename the Crosshair Cypher Crosshair or something like that, and that's basically it. I'm just going to continue with this game, actually win it, even though it's just with play. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!